Where Spanish speaking, you get up with man. I mean, to appreciate you. I mean, to sit down and shut my mouth again. I sing in my emotion, I swallow in my throat. No, do it. My name is.
Yeah, man, welcome forward to the channel, man. Yo, me no know what go on with Queenie and Dewey, but every time the two of them have something like Dewey have to run go sleep with a man or go spend some time with a man, you see it. So Queenie they ask say, yo, a little thing go down with the two of them, you see it. So she have to just spit in her Dewey face, you see me? But she go spend some time with somebody where I spend time with she, you see it, and I worship she. Yeah, man, for Dewey now, let go the whole pack girl thing them, you see me? And him still a more fishy, so Queenie no like them stuff there. Dewey did they say certain things to you, see it, he make some posts on Instagram and say, yo, Queen are the first somebody if you say him son a jacket and them thing there, you see it. So we forward now if you don't hear what them a say, yo. I'm just going to leave on a comment, you see it. When you think about where Queen are going with about Dewey, you see me? Yeah, man. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV. Yeah, we forward and hear what them a say.
Why you come right, but me tell you, not deserve spit in her face. You not deserve spit in her face. Me, you got Jamaica. And when me and you come back, you vex me and got blood. If you drive come to Manchester for you, drive come back down there for you, and you want to come tell me, move. You the man says, me dip on my veranda at Jamaica, me and him in the room. And the way talk to me so disgusting. Me go out and me say, Mommy, I don't like the way my husband talk to me no more. Me say, my mother don't pay me no. Yeah. No, me you that Dominica rebel puppet, you never know. Well, more missing. Me say no more missing, no missing doing. Because you said you don't frighten from him, I'm gonna look for somebody with blood to me and I reminisce. Me not whole. You can't make them bad, bold and beautiful. And me not spirit to hear that come. Me not frighten nobody. In a proposal and a business proposal, so you go make some, you know, think come to me and say one of the girls say they want a bookings now, no. What whole heap of embarrassment? No, I'm not make that all of my say. I'm going to message the whole heap of message. So I'm come off of the phone, I'm call someone, and I get someone. To get what I get someone, I say, son, remember do it one ads for yesterday for free. I mean, I said, so you for the free ads when you know how to pay ads and me have ads to do. You see me at the promotion and you know put none of my promotion on your page and I eat a feed you and make you a sub back when you promote other girl. That don't make no sense to me do it. So I'm call the girl. No, my voice note her. She said me I know I still can't get her. I said, Simone, when you're going to JD Sports, test me to say no. I said, Simone, when you're going to JD Sports, see if you get 2 extra large, small, tracks good for doing like the one them with the hoodie. You're not sorry love, me I work. But when you're there, Westfield at teach. Friday gone. So I said, do you see it? It's a girl and a Rachel. Hear me now? You never hear the voice note when she said should I pay me. I said, do it? Me never listen to the voice note the way me link. I said, then she said should I pay you? Then it's why she said should I pay you? You not take pay do it. How much responsibility me have you now? Sell your bleaching cream, you just sit on a bleach and just sit on a big cha boy. And somebody offer you. I say your friend for someone. If you not help me promote my ads and you not put my ads in for your page, how you have someone ads on me if you shut up? That's said and done. Listen up. Alright. I want me reach the ads. When we wait this morning now, my message Simone and I gave my play to her. I said, Simone, I go ahead and do his DM and I see you have a whole heap of conversation with Dewey. But Dewey tell me and him nothing but what that is all about because I'm still a step in my craft. Because I grow you, I know you for your 12 and I made the artist promotion queen about the place and you undermine me reaching on my husband phone. And then when you come buy the bleaching cream for me, Simone, you said to me, say, gangster, me know your husband number. Why would you say that? I got me ask Simone, you know. Ask Simone, drop her blood. I must say, do it back for Shavan. And she rinse me. I must say to her, I said, Simone, Me never expect better for you because you mix your mother with you with hope. You say if you do your mother, so what you da do me? I me say. She dip upon my family and tell me what she got, what she said. I me say, oh, by the time him go with the man a designer body, me not do no more them style and them Kelly style with it, a boy style. Me I'm tired of that, brother. Me tell you. So do it any day you walk and left me again and don't stand up as a man and leave me in my emotion. That's gonna be a when I talk about stunt, when I'm stinking music. When I think me I get money off of the music, them one and I play. Those are just my catalog. And me I build up my rascal. So none of them can treat me but no one for come out from my page and the whole of them take. You can't hype me and have no manners and no respect. Oh, me will go back to my yard, go back to your yard. You can't go to Canada, you get Canada visa. Me whole, I'm a miserable, I'm a insecure, me not trust you. And that alone, me not trust you. You sell the ring, I'm in the pan. After the ring, I'm a junkie. I come here and say, enough things you do me. If me a pack a suitcase and I pack 10 mango and 10 jelly, you sit down like a blood. Princess, leave me. You come put up video. Me make that purposely come. Remember last year me did tell Dale say, me gonna make one man that's how desperate I was. But guess what? I hold my composure and my sanity. Cause no boy now use me. No boy now use me. You get away with that because you're married to me. I'm a stand for better or for worse. But for me, you tell your name. When you engraving it for 15 grand, you sell the TV, everything me give you. Where them there? You thief my page, my royal rental page. January when you beat me from my mother yard, you change your name. I've never there Jamaica, Bush and Mark yard. I said, do it for me. Where the page? 15,000 followers I have. If anybody will want bookings, I just take on my page, do it and change the name. I see me to Maka Diamond, Wagwan sexy girl, Wagwan hot girl. You change the business page to message girl. So them don't know say you. And when I find the page, don't have Bush and Mark yard, I say, do him. I give you 5 proposals. You need to give me back my first message to him, say, you need to reach out to your son more often. Crazy, you can't get me not there now. I know my baby mother stay now. I have no money to get. I not call him and say, do it. The little boy don't care about money. The little boy just want your daddy love him and you send him a little video. Alright, no matter where the mother sick as another mother. I say, 5 proposals me again. You need to talk to your son. You need to give me back my page. You need to apologize to me because I see in your phone where you apologize to many girls over foolishness where you're not married to, and calling where you have all internet where you take call you the sir, and no matter what you do, you never come and apologize. You know what my husband said to me? Me not apologize because you did say you apologize, but you're not sorry for what you do. Then do it. Yeah, tit to tat with when me did tell your mother. She said, at least I did apologize to your mom. So at least apologize to me. That's a 3 proposal. A 5 something I give me, I remember the other 2. That's why I give my land for hang himself tonight. No, last year them time I couldn't do this. I'm weak out, I'm a wit. The way you do me. I mean, that's a build myself and come back strong. When him get the visa for Canada, I said, do it. I know your intention and you not plan not with me, you plan not with others. So I know you're so Canada. But you know why I'm not going to fight you? Because in Jamaica you're going to end up. So I'm not going to fret about you because I'm going to fret about you because you're my husband and Jamaica is rocket. So let me tell you something, brother Mac, brother husband. If you think me I talk with water in my mouth like January and you beat me up on the disgrace from my yard. Me did a week and vulnerable January. Me purposely. You know some with Ross. Remember, and I bed you upstairs with girl. I'm cuddling in my kitchen. And when me drive out, me read my message. See, don't talk about same fingernail and not same fingernail. I want to know. Listen, do it. Me not frightened for blood clot, because you're not frightened for me. You're not. Me say I tell girl, but you're like big. You want big cocky. Me take man, we have 4 times the size of your cocky. My baby father when him lammy, him cocky big like blood clot, the light post. I want to that you're doing, me not cocky frightened. You hear that? Understand your little dirty blood clot self. You take big woman and you violate me. When I say to the man, say me I go ask him, want anything, she tell him in a response. You can't put it up on Instagram, really? After me you make pledge, so when I go by Instagram, you started by this. You're not a man. Your self-esteem is low. How may you make plan from February when you come back? Girl disgrace you. You got a Devante yard, you and Devante in a Cree. You and all of the people them in a Devante yard. Right now you're in Devante. And God with Devante, a girl, they me seeing about a girl if you me. That's a blood. Them regime me and my husband I do me with girl. The girl come out to Jamaica, she there with her. What the man name? Tonto. A Tonto. But I don't know, I saw the man name. She and Tonto. And the girl style you dirty blood. I hear now all the banter which you leave is stranded and go with the you're delusional.